Are you dreaming of a smaller space? Downsizing. That's our topic for this week's Tuesday Tips. Stay tuned. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do downsizing right. I'm Natasha, Koch with the Van City Home Team. Welcome to our Tuesday Tips, where we're going to fill you in on everything that we think you should know about buying or selling real estate. And this week's Tuesday Tips is all about downsizing done right. I'm going to give you 3 steps on how to simplify your life and find the perfect home. So stay tuned for this now. If you like our content, please subscribe below, click the bell. We'd love to see you. And if you have any comments or future suggestions on other episodes that we could do that you want to know about, please. We always love the feedback. So let's dive right into the 3 steps on how to simplify your life. If you've dreamed of having a simpler life, which of course we all have, downsizing might be the way to go. So that does not mean that you have to sacrifice comfort and style. So let's try the right approach so that you can have it all. Smaller space, more enjoyable, more efficient. Those are awesome things to look forward to. So step number 1, start by making a list. I list everything every single day, but this is kind of a really important part of the process because you want to take in account all the factors like size, budget, location, lifestyle. You know exactly the things that you love, and the best exercise is actually to look around your space right now and see which rooms of your current place are you actually using the most. If you love to cook, you probably want to have a really good kitchen. If you love to be outdoors, then having an outdoor space is going to be important. So once you've got a good idea of that, let's jump into step number 2. This is when we get down to business, making sure that you do your homework on the area. Where do you want to live? Investigate all the available options, and this is going to help you find the home with less hassle. Don't forget to look at the extra outdoor features like storage, backyard space, balcony space, energy efficiency, cost, of course, for those things, and walking distance to transportation, amenities, shopping, visiting with your friends, medical appointments, those kind of things. Now let's go into the final step, which is step number 3, fitting your budget. So of course, this is really important. We want to make sure that you're not giving up anything, and you don't want to let money stand in your way either of finding the perfect fit. So it doesn't mean that you have to take second best because this is your second home or your last home perhaps, but you can find what meets your current budget. And budget doesn't mean just the purchase price of the home, but it means your overall budget. How many times do you want to go out for dinner? Do you want to do some extracurricular activities? Do you want to buy some of those things or travel to different countries at this point in your life? Who knows? Whatever that means and whatever you're looking for, downsizing is about finding the right balance. It's between space, cost, and lifestyle. And so don't be afraid to take that plunge. You might just find that simplifying your life is the key to true contentment and freedom. Say goodbye to the stress, start downsizing today, and start by reaching out to your local realtor or to us, and we will be happy to provide you with a free, up-to-date market evaluation and consultation on brainstorming the step-by-step process on doing it right. I'm Natasha, Koch with the Van City Home Team. I hope you enjoyed our Tuesday tips. If you did, click below so you can subscribe, and you'll be notified every time we have new content, and we'll see you next week.